Oh, I missed the best part of it, but I guess that must be little boy's mom that he's with over there. She's giving him a good groom, and I've seen little instances like this, but she has been going on for a while. I sat there and watched and didn't even think of turning the camera on like a nitwit. I thought, geez, I had to be recording this. This is a sweet little moment. That must be his mom. Oh, now he's doing her. Oh, look at that. That is so sweet. That's gotta be his mom. Somebody that loves him at any rate. I see some tender moments like this, but they're kind of rare. But that's just so sweet. Just so sweet. Well, she's still... This is the longest instance like this I've ever seen. She's giving him a good going over. My goodness. I just can't get over that. I've never seen something like this go on for so long. That has to be Mom. Mother deer just walked in. Okay, I guess it's over now. Better go put some more food. Some other deer just walked in.